how to answer and reject an incoming call without touching the phone on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Advanced Features. After click on Advanced Features, you will see first option is Bixby. Click on Bixby. After click on Bixby, scroll down and click on Talk to Bixby without wake up. After click on Talk to Bixby without wake up, so make sure turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see answer and reject incoming call without touching the phone is done. After the process, go back to home screen. Here, so and your call is showing on your screen. If you want to attend, so click on answer. After click on answer, you will see your call is answered without touching your phone. If you want to reject call, so say reject. After say reject, you will see your call is reject without touching the phone. After the process, so that's how you can answer and reject an incoming call without touching the phone on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.